Hey guys, welcome back into another channel. Today we're gonna be playing YouTube Story. So as you see here, just forget about that right now. So today we're gonna be playing YouTube Story. YouTube Story, and let's get started. It might be a little long, so might do part 2. So let's just get started. Okay, come on. Where's the thingy? Okay, wait. There's a little. So now, okay. So here we are. Oh no. Okay, let's just get in here. Anyone else coming? So we're just gonna leave because I want to be in a huge server. Oh, this one. Let's go this one. Okay, there's 5, so that's good. Okay. Come on. It's not teleporting me there. Oh. You can only have 10 players in total? Well, that's weird. Don't just study on a button. Always oh my god. What's happening? Study. Huh? Please wait. Please wait. You are. Chain, you have been watching YouTube for 3 hours now. Can you stop? Okay. It's addicting. They have such a cool life. Wow, okay. What if we started a YouTube channel? We could get rich and famous. It's not actually a bad idea. That's really not a bad idea. It'd give us something to do. It will. We need a game plan. Dun dun dun. There's dot, so dot. You just say dot. That's all. Okay. The first step is to buy computer components and a camera at the store. Okay. Then we need to vlog our cool adventures. Okay. Thereafter, the videos must be edited and uploaded to YouTube. And boom! We are famous. We sure are. Chain. Dun. We need a channel name first. That's me talking. Oh yeah. You are right. What should we choose as a name? I don't know. No. I got one. Vlog Squad. Yes! Name. That's pretty impressive. That's perfect. I agree with him. Okay, Vlog Squad. Let's go to the store to get our supplies. I already got my supplies. I got my tip, I got my computer, I got my things, and I got my red beauty. You see? So. Beautiful. Okay, we need a computer, mouse, gaming chair, and camera. That's everything. So fast? What? Let's go back now. It was pretty fast. Hi. You're so happy. That's so weird. I'm like, okay. Wow, this is amazing. It sure is. What is he doing? Why is he like erasing it? Okay, guys. Step 2. We need to go to an adventures and record them. Any ideas on what our first video could be about? I don't know. Oh, what if we do a 24-hour challenge in a store? Those videos get a lot of views. I agree. They have like a lot of views. That really isn't a bad idea at all. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. 2 hours later. I don't know if they keep doing that, but it's like weird. Okay, guys, act normal. We have to find a hiding spot. Okay, where is it? Why don't we build a fort inside the boxes? I have the perfect spot. Follow me. What are we gonna find from the sun? Okay, that's a bear. No, it isn't, right? Should have just kept it as it was. Oh my. These are the customers, I bet. We have to stack boxes high or so. Okay. So, huh? Okay. Take out your cameras and start vlogging. So we just gotta grab out number 2. Okay, take our cameras. We have to wait until 4 hours later. This is my sister.
On my that side, I'm supposed to be this side.
Okay, attention shoppers. It's closing time. Please start leaving. Okay. You don't have to leave.
Let's go, because I'm getting
Here we go. Stay quiet as they clean. So, is there a way we can get out of here even?
No, you just.
Oh, right here.
No!
How did he get out?
Jenny, don't.
I can't get out. I can't get out. Can you get your map, girl? You always do that. Oh my god. How did they get out? Let's start vlogging. Yeah, I agree. Why is it like this?
I'm gonna play Fresh and Famous Total B.
Hey, vlogs, what? We are staying in the store for 24 hours. Nice. Okay, can I get back to my thing? Oh my god, what was that bang?
Bang, bang,
Did anyone hear that bang? I love that.
You get out of here.
Keep the camera rolling. This is great contact. I agree, really. I'm like,
I don't agree with you, because I don't know what you're agreeing with.
There is 2 robbers here. What do we do?
I don't know what to do now.
We need to stop them. Nope, I'm not doing anything.
You're gonna get damaged in 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I'm not. I will
Play.
Let's go get
High
them.
five! High five! Thank you.
We can't stay here, or the cops will think it was us. We need to escape before they arrest us. What is this place?
No, I don't like this one.
Maybe let's see, like,
I don't like this one.
what is
Why do we
here.
even have to play it?
I think this is where we can escape.
I wanna. Yes, I'm blue team blue.
I think this is where he's going. Oh yeah,
why
he
am
is.
I blue team? Wait, why am I like this? I'm scared. Are we
Play
playing
that
dodgeball?
meaning go.
We're playing dodgeball.
No, that's not that. I think it's like a bowl arcade that your guys are gonna try to score and stuff. Follow
Not a
chain.
ball game.
Where is he?
I'm okay with this thing.
We have to climb the fence. We can explain the
You
truth
can
to
do
the cops later tomorrow.
We have to go, girls. Girls, hush. Girls, push.
Oh, Alright, we escaped. Let's go
Come
home.
on.
I sent the video to the police. We saved the store. We sure did. We are very... I'm almost done editing the video. My TV. And there, I posted
Make
it.
sure you watch our videos. Got it?
Yes, subscribe too. Hopefully, we get a lot of views. This was crazy.
What the heck?
Really
Yay, I'm in my favorite color purple. We're playing roll-up
Breaking
challenge.
news. A
Look
new
Oh my
YouTube
God.
channel called Vlog Squad has caught robbers breaking into Blocksmart and stopped them. We want to thank the Vlog Squad. Okay, now I know.
Oh my gosh.
They just posted it on it. Did we just get out a shout out on live TV? We did! Our video is going viral. What? You better be lying, sir. I'm like, there's no way that's happening. What? You can't. Oh my god. Don't do that number again.
Why am I
This is
rolling
insane.
like this?
You have to make more
I'm
videos.
so...
Okay, I can you just
Oh my
stop?
gosh, I feel so...
You're like so loud.
Oh, yay!
What's our next what's the
Some
next
more
idea?
pushing. Yeah, this is
What if we did a ghost pepper challenge?
No. Good.
Oh god, I do.
Finally, I did it.
Yes, our reactions will be so funny. People will like that. Why do I still have this on?
I don't like this one. This game
Ready,
is-
set, action!
Oh, no, not Bobby. I don't like Bobby. No.
Hey guys! Welcome to the Vlog
Oh my
Squad
God, that'll be
second video. It's not the first one. It's the second one. Today we are doing the ghost
What the
pepper
heck is this?
challenge.
What the heck is this? What the heck is this? What is this?
We will see who lasts the longest after eating the ghost pepper.
Are you supposed to climb over
I
here?
already did, so
O
it's not breaking my mouth at all.
J.
Oh, this is bad.
I don't know how to
How's
do it.
everyone doing so far? I just like ate it right away, so.
Mm.
I can't do this
I don't know.
anymore. I need milk or I'm going to die. That is a lie. I know it sounds like you're gonna die, but that's never gonna happen. Okay, relax. Guys, go find milk quickly. Okay. Come on. She's not gonna die. She's lying. Seriously, because I don't want my best friend to die. And find the milk. Where's the milk? Where's the milk? This was a hard challenge, but the reaction was so funny. I really agree with me. I'll post the video. Give me some time. And done. What am I saying?
God, you know you can get health. Yeah, I don't like that game. That's so weird.
Yay!
This is so easy.
I
You just
agree.
stand
Good night, guys. See you in the morning. If I got it. Good. We got it. Okay.
Good thing to answer me. Like you. I never been nobody.
Okay, we're
Oh
back
my
awake. Guys, we went viral again.
Oh, what's
What?
come on, Red,
We really did? Did we?
Dawn.
Dawn! We had 10 million. You know what that means?
Yeah. I'm good at
I know
this
what that
game.
means. We get the silver play button. My
My
mind is exploding. I'm like so exploding right. No. Oh my god, I'm so thankful. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna stop it there. Thank you for playing. I will do a part 2 of this. So, bye! Whoop.